Hi children, welcome back to our geography class. So today we'll be continuing the second part of your agriculture lesson. Okay. So in the first part we saw what are the different economic activities and what are the different cultivation techniques or methods. So in this part, the second part, you will be seeing about the major crops. What is the topic? Major crops. So a variety of crops are grown in India to meet the growing demand of the people. So these crops supply raw materials to agro-based industry. What is agro-based industry? If you take your textile industry, cotton, silk are all called the raw materials for that industry. Okay. So these are called agro-based industry. So these crops provide raw materials for agro-based industry. And we'll be learning about few crops. Okay. So these crops are mainly categorized to three types. The first one is called your food crops. What are they called? Food crops. Okay. So under your food crops, rice, wheat, maize and millets. Okay. They are called the food crops. The next one we'll be seeing about fiber crops. Okay. What is it? Fiber crops. So fiber crops include cotton and jute. Which are the two fiber crops? Cotton and jute. Okay. And the last one will be beverage. Beverage crops. Okay. Beverage crops. Which are the beverage crops? What do you have in the morning and evening? Yes, it is called tea and coffee. Okay. So you'll be learning about tea and coffee. Okay. So shall we start the first one, that is your food crops. Okay. So I have divided the board into 4 columns. The first one will be learning about the crop, what type of soil is required for their growth, what is the climatic requirement and which are the places where you can find these crops. Okay. So first one we'll be seeing about our 4 food crops. Okay. What are they? The first one is your rice. What is the first food crop? Rice. Okay. So what is the soil? You know, rice is the staple food of all human beings over the world, right? And it is the major crop which grows in tropical and subtropical areas. Okay, it is the staple food and it is the major crop which grows in tropical and subtropical areas. Okay, now what is the soil requirement? So they require alluvial clayey soil. What is the soil? Alluvial clayey soil. Okay, is it clear? So rice requires alluvial clayey soil. Why? Because it retains water for a longer time. Okay, you know clay retains water for a longer time. Okay. Now what is the climate? Okay. So they require high temperature. What all things they need? High temperature, high humidity and also heavy rainfall. Okay. So all humidity, temperature, rainfall all should be high for your rice. Okay. Now what are the places? So the leading producer of rice is China. Which is your leading producer? China, followed by India. Okay, and you have the places. Is it clear? So now, you know, in all the places in India, it is rice is grown yearly once. Okay, but in certain places where the climate is suitable, you can grow rice 2 to 3 times a year. That is, you get the harvest 2 to 3 times a year. Okay. And in which places is in West Bengal and Bangladesh. Which are the two places? In West Bengal and Bangladesh, rice is grown as a 2 or 3 crops in a year. Okay. 2 or 3 times they'll cultivate rice and they'll get the harvest. Okay. Because of the favorable condition or favorable climatic condition in that places. Is it clear? So we saw what is rice. Now we are going to see the second one, which is called wheat. Yes. What is the next one? Wheat. Okay. So your next one is wheat. So about the soil. Okay. So wheat, so they grow well in well-drained loamy soil. Okay. Which soil? Well-drained loamy soil. Okay. Now coming to the climate. We know rice requires high temperature, humidity and rainfall, right? So here coming to wheat, it requires moderate temperature. Okay, what does it require? Moderate temperature and rainfall. Okay, it requires moderate temperature and rainfall, and during the growing period. And during the harvest, they require bright sunshine. Okay, during the harvest time, they require bright sunshine. Okay, now which are the places where you can wheat is cultivated? USA, Canada, Argentina, etc. Okay, USA, Canada. You can name any two countries. Is it clear? Okay. Now shall we move to the third one? So your third one is millets. What is the third one? Millets. Okay. So your millets are otherwise called coarse grain. What are they otherwise called? Coarse. C-O-A-R-S-E. Okay. Coarse grains. So they are cultivated in less fertile and sandy soil. So what is the soil? Less fertile and sandy soil. Okay. So they are hardy crops. Okay. So they require low rainfall, high to moderate temperature and humidity. Okay. So you can write low temperature and rainfall. Is it clear? They require low temperature and rainfall. Okay. So the places where they are cultivated is India. Okay. And so the major millets which are cultivated in India are jowar, bajra and ragi. Okay. These are the three major millets which are cultivated in India. Okay. Now the last food crop. Okay. The last food crop is your maize. What is it? Maize. So coming to the soil, they require well-drained, fertile soil. What do they want? Well-drained, fertile soil. Is it clear? So here they require moderate temperature and climate. Okay. Coming to your climate, they require moderate temperature and rainfall. Okay, moderate temperature and rainfall, but they require bright sunshine. Okay, sunshine is also needed. They require bright sunshine. So now the areas where they are cultivated are North America, Brazil and China. Okay, North America, Brazil and China. Is it clear? So with this, the 4 food crops are over. Okay. The first one is rice. So they require alluvial clayey soil, high temperature, humidity and rainfall, and they are grown in China, India, etc. Okay. The second one is wheat. They require well-drained, loamy soil. Okay. So they too require moderate temperature and rainfall. But during the harvest, they require good sunshine. And the places where it is grown is USA, Canada. Okay. Third one is called millets. Okay. Millets are otherwise called as coarse grain. What are they otherwise called? Coarse grain. So the soil is less fertile, sandy soil. Climate is low temperature and rainfall. The places are India. India, you can see where 3 different types of millets. They are jowar, bajra and ragi. And the last one is maize. Okay. So it is grown in well-drained fertile soil. Where is it grown? Well-drained fertile soil. And they require moderate temperature and rainfall. But adequate sunshine is also needed. And the areas where they are grown is North America, Brazil. Is it clear?